Satnam, y'all, Satnam. I hope you're doing well. Happy July, and we're going to continue with our theme of celebration for this month. And so, in order to do that, I thought to myself, like, what is it that I celebrate each time that I'm allowed to come to the mat, allowed to come to the cushion to practice? And so, for me, it's just the ability to sit and be with my breath. I've learned through years of practice that if I'm able to do controlled, conscious, consistent breath work, then I'm able to tap into my nervous system. And if you can hack the nervous system, you can hack the mind. If you can hack the mind, you can change the body. It's a really cool trickle down effect, just depending on where you are on the journey and how you want to start. And so, with that all in mind, and as always, these practices will invite us inward, deep down into our center, into our navel center, where we keep our reserves of energy. Last month, we talked about this reserve of energy being something like an internal compass that you might check into from time to time, or maybe it's like a reserve of energy that you need to tap into to recharge your batteries if you're running low. And so with this practice, it's a 4-part meditation. The first part's 11 minutes. The last 3 parts are all 1 minute. And so you're going to be doing an O mouth for the entire meditation. And so you really invite the air in like you're sucking through a straw. Allow the air to hit the back of the palate. Allow it to come through the heart, enter the navel, and infuse into all of your being through that practice. And so you'll keep your left hand on your heart, after you found your comfortable seat, however you're going to set up your meditation. Left hand on the heart, closing the eyes, focus at the brow point, and right hand comes in front in a cup. Really allowing yourself graciously, humbly receiving those blessings, raining down into your palm from the heavens, coming home with the left hand on the heart, really feeling into the heartbeat, the rise and fall of the chest. Maybe you could even tap into feeling the breath enter and exit the lungs. And you're going to inhale through the O mouth and exhale through the nose. And you're going to repeat that for 11 minutes. And that'll be the beginning of this meditation. So that long, slow, deep breathing, we're really controlling how we're pulling the prana into our body, how we're pulling it into our system. And then, without skipping a beat, after 11 minutes, you're going to hold the posture still with the O mouth, and you're going to begin breath of fire. Speed doesn't matter. It's all about equal inhale, equal exhale, and the steady pace. You do that for a minute. And then after a minute, you switch the hands. You keep the O mouth breath of fire. You keep powering through if that's in your practice. You switch hands, again, feeling into the heart center, allowing yourself to receive the blessings of the universe. After a minute of this posture with the O mouth breath of fire, you open the hands out to the sides. This is the last one. Both hands are cups. Mouth is in an O. You continue your breath of fire for 1 minute. Afterwards, you take a deep inhale, fill the body, stretch in every direction for 15 seconds. Stay in the posture, exhale, inhale, and repeat that 2 more times. And that's how you end it. And then, as always, long Sat Nam. Maybe you even want to do a long time sun. So, again, inhaling and exhaling through the O mouth. You're really trying to sip the prana from the air around you, inviting it into the heart, invite it into the navel, suffuse it into the body and all of your fibers. As always, I hope to see you in class there Tuesday night, 7 p.m. on Zoom. Otherwise, I'd love to know how the practice is going for you. Satnam.